Sparkies of Australia. As electric vehicle popularity increases, more and more of your customers will require professional EV charger installation and the know-how to get them charged up and on the road. That's where Deta comes in. We're here to help make your job and your life as easy as EV. With a choice of single or three-phase wall-mounted chargers to suit your customers' needs, Deta supplies everything you need to get the job done right and on time. From switchboard electrical circuit protection and electrical containment to hardware fixings and TPS specific to EVC specs, Deta has all your bases covered. The best part is you can pick it all up from Bunnings Warehouse and grab a snag for morning tea. Deta, transforming electrical.